National Academy of Science don commend Edo State Readiness to solve gender-based violence. The National Academy of Science don praise the zeal wey the Edo State government dey show to fight against gender-based violence for the state. Members of the academy come express their appreciation when dem carry waka with Edo State #1 lady Mrs. Bestie Obaseki round some of the facilities wey Oga Governor set up for the management of gender-based violence for the state. When the team dey the Sexual Assault Referral Center, wey dem also know as Vivian Center, the coordinator of the center, Dr. Egbe Enobakare, come mention some of the tests wey dem dey do for the center.
Here we do rapid diagnosis for HIV, we do for VDRL, that's syphilis, hepatitis B and hepatitis C. And then we have a tool where we use to assist ourselves in collecting information from them. We also try to obtain samples for forensics. We collect swab from them.
From there, the team come carry waka enter the Daisy Danjuma shelter for vulnerable persons, wey get 200-bed hostels for boys, 40-bed hostels for girls, dining room, training hall, recreation center and clinic. The delegate spokesman, Professor Friday Okonofa, wey follow with Tori people talk, come yarn say im dey impressed with the way the shelter houses stay dey, and dem as a team dey happy to work with Edo State #1 lady on gender-based violence matter.
I'm very, very impressed. I want to say on behalf of the academy, this is one of the most comprehensive shelter houses that I've been to. I've visited quite a lot, but I'm very impressed because it contains everything that somebody who's in an emergency situation of this nature need to have, and I'm very happy that the government has been able to provide such facilities. On behalf of the president of the academy, other members of the academy, we are very delighted, and we are happy to be working with the First Lady of Edo State on this important project to ensure that GBV, gender-based violence, and other negative problems affecting women and boys mitigated in short and long-term basis, and that this provides opportunity for Edo State government to do so.
The chairman of the National Academy of Science, Professor Ekanem Braid, and the executive secretary of the academy, Dr. Donye Ofubanjo, during the visit, come say the academy na collection of top scientists, and say Ford Foundation contact the academy to be grant administrators of the gender-based violence project for Abia State, Niger State, Ekiti State, and Edo State.
The academy, as you can see, is a collection of top scientists. And if you look around, you see that most of the fellows are heads of top establishments or chairmen of committees.
In terms of this particular project, the academy was contacted by Ford Foundation to serve as a grant manager and technical partner to the states. Currently 4 states, so we hope that this can be expanded across the country.
Edo #1 lady, Her Excellency Mrs. Bestie Obaseki, na be the chairman of Edo State Gender-Based Violence Management Committee. This one na the ogbonge informate wey TMC TV carry come give una on top the cocoa for today. My name na Chidima Anichukwu from Benin.